Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today I'd like to personally invite you to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. We've taken a lot of time and effort and made some pretty much how-to videos on projects that we've completed right here in the Pine Belt. If that's something you'd be interested in, come check us out. But while I got your attention, let me show you some of the services we provide here in the Pine Belt. All right, pine straw. Pine straw is my favorite thing to do. If you're looking for instant gratification, come in, trim your shrubs and your landscape, and then put some nice, thick, long leaf pine straw and roll them edges. All right, let's check out these rounded edges. Oh, that looks good, that look good. Check her out. See the difference? You see the way the bed is just defined. It's got that nice rounded edge. Really just defines the concrete from the bed, from the grass. All right, let's talk Limb Up. Limb Up does two things. It opens up your property, allows everyone to just see your beautiful house and your landscape, but it also provides the sun exposure that all these plants and turf needs. All these trees, you can't even see the house. Now look at them. Isn't that just so nice? The rip out and install. This is for our customers who are just ready to start over. Their landscape is taking over. It might not have been trimmed for a while, or it might just be all green and we're just ready for some new low maintenance color. But we come in and we rip out all the existing landscape and start fresh. Everything ripped out. We've also cultivated all of the yard, got it smooth. Now we're about to do one last rake and just prep everything, have it look nice and neat. Lawn service. The best way I can explain our lawn service is we are not grass cutters. We come and we service your property. Not only do we weed eat, edge, blow, we take care of the weeds in your flower bed, the weeds growing out of your driveway, and we just pick up all trash, sticks, debris, anything that's not supposed to be in your yard. It's got to go. If y'all can remember, this whole edge was just crawling over, had weeds all in there. We got rid of it, sprayed it, it's not coming back. Flower bed maintenance, one of our newer services, and we've had a great response for. It's for the customers that enjoy cutting their own grass, because some people love cutting their own grass. It's therapeutic. What we do on our flower bed maintenance program is we come in, it's a once a month, year round, and we take care of your complete landscape and all your flower beds. We make sure all the edges are defined, everything's trimmed and pruned when it should, and there aren't any pesky weeds growing in the bed. We are using Italian cypresses, coral drip roses, encore azaleas, soft touch boxwoods, and then I always put some of these beautiful sunshine ligustrums into my landscape. All right, looky, looky, looky. We can't forget the clear out jobs. Is your woods growing out and taking over your property? We can take it back. Today, me and the claw are going to finish cleaning all of this. I thank you for your time today. Don't forget to stop by our Facebook page, and don't forget to give us a call the next time you have a landscape project.